अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ खैर खैरियत से होंगे। नाज़रीन, आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ वर्ड्स विद उर्दू मीनिंग्स लेकर हाजिर हुई हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डिसेंड उतरना, डिसेंड उतरना। गो डाउन, द हाइकर बिगन टू डिसेंड द माउंटेन एज द सन सेट। द हाइकर बिगन टू डिसेंड द माउंटेन एज द सन सेट। सबमर्ज गर्क होना, सबमर्ज गर्क होना। बी अंडर द वाटर, बी अंडर द वाटर। द सबमरीन बिगन टू सबमर्ज as it prepared for underwater exploration. The submarine began to submerge as it prepared for underwater exploration. कील अवर अचानक गिर जाना, कील अवर अचानक गिर जाना। Fall suddenly, he keeled over from heat exhaustion during the match. He keeled over from heat exhaustion during the match. Knock over धक्का देकर गिराना, knock over धक्का देकर गिराना। Hit something, he accidentally knocked over the glass of water. He accidentally knocked over the glass of water. Fall down गिर जाना, fall down गिर जाना। Drop to the ground, drop to the ground. She slipped on the wet floor and fell down. She slipped on the wet floor and fell down. Siesta दोपहर का कैलूला, siesta दोपहर का कैलूला। Short nap, short nap. After lunch he always takes a siesta to feel refreshed. After lunch he always takes a siesta to feel refreshed. Treacherous धोखेबाज, betraying trust, betraying trust. The mountain path was treacherous after the rain. The mountain path was treacherous after the rain. Elope घर से भागकर शादी करना, elope घर से भागकर शादी करना। Run away, run away. They decided to elope to avoid a big wedding. They decided to elope to avoid a big wedding. Trudge, trudge थक कर चलना। Walk slowly because of tiredness. Walk slowly because of tiredness. He trudged through the snow to reach home. He trudged through the snow to reach home. Gobsmacked, gobsmacked. हैरान रह जाना, हैरान रह जाना। Utterly astonished, utterly astonished. I was gobsmacked by the beautiful view from the top of the mountain. I was gobsmacked by the beautiful view from the top of the mountain. Scrunch मरोड़ना, scrunch मरोड़ना। Crush or squeeze, crush or squeeze. She scrunched up the paper and threw it in the trash. She scrunched up the paper and threw it in the trash. Vanquish, vanquish शिकस्त देना, vanquish शिकस्त देना। Defeat someone, defeat someone. The hero vanquished the dragon and saved the village. The hero vanquished the dragon and saved the village. Dejected, मायूस, dejected, मायूस। Disappointed, disappointed. She felt dejected after not getting the job. She felt dejected after not getting the job. Apprehend गिरफ्तार करना, apprehend गिरफ्तार करना। To arrest. The police apprehended the thief near the market. The police apprehended the thief near the market. Glee खुशी या शादमानी, glee खुशी या शादमानी। Great delight. She shouted with glee when she won the prize. She shouted with glee when she won the prize. Gap मुंह खोल कर देखना, gap मुंह खोल कर देखना। To stare with your mouth, to stare with your open mouth. The kids queued at the Gyan chocolate cake. The kids queued at the Gyan chocolate cake. Swivel, swivel, घूमना, to turn around a fixed point. To turn around a fixed point. The chair swivels 360 degree. The chair swivels 360 degree. Sway, झुकना या हिलना. Sway, झुकना या हिलना. To move slowly. To move slowly. The tree swayed in the wind. The tree swayed in the wind. His speech swayed the audience opinion. His speech swayed the audience opinion. Kink, bal ya beach. Kink, bal ya beach. There's a kink in the garden house. There's a kink in the garden hose, so water is not flowing properly. There's a kink in the garden hose, so water is not flowing properly. Flump, dham se girna. Flump, dham se girna. She flumped onto the sofa after a long day. She flumped onto the sofa after a long day. Stiff, सख्त या अकड़ा हुआ. Stiff, सख्त या अकड़ा हुआ. Bent, firm. Bent, firm. He gave me a stiff smile during the meeting. He gave me a stiff smile during the meeting. Dwarf, कद में छोटा. Dwarf, कद में छोटा. Someone seems small. Someone seems small. The dwarf stood at the front of the stage. The dwarf stood at the front of the stage. DWARF, dwarf. DWARF. Prestige, वकार या इज्जत. Prestige, वकार या इज्जत. Reputation, respect. Reputation, respect. Working at that company gives you a lot of prestige. Working at that company gives you a lot of prestige. Flinch, चौकन्ना. Flinch, FLINCH. FLINCH. चौंकना. Shook or fear. Shook or fear. He flinched when the balloon popped. He flinched when the balloon popped. Static sakin stays the same. Static sakin stays the same. The picture on the TV had a lot of static. The picture on the TV had a lot of static. Destitute, muflis. Destitute, muflis. Extremely poor. Extremely poor. After the flood, many families were left destitute. After the flood, many families were left destitute. DESTITUTE, destitute. Sluggish, sust. Sluggish, sust, not active. Sluggish, sust, not active. I feel sluggish after eating a heavy meal. I feel sluggish after eating a heavy meal. Amenities, सहूलियात. Amenities, सहूलियात. AMENITIES. AMENITIES, सहूलियात. Luxuries. The apartment includes modern amenities like a gym and swimming pool. The apartment includes modern amenities like a gym and swimming pool. Affliction, musibat. Affliction, musibat, cause pain. Poverty is an affliction that affects millions worldwide. Poverty is an affliction that affects millions worldwide. Defective, abdar. Defective, abdar. Fault, flaw. Fault, flaw. A defective product can be dangerous to use. A defective product can be dangerous to use. Trustee, Amin. Manage property. Trustee, Amin. manage property. The trustee of the school manage its finances. The trustee of the school manage its finances. Reliable, reliable. Kable etamad, work well. Kable etamad, work well. She is reliable employee who always meets deadlines. She is reliable employee who always meets deadline.